Alright, here's the second BN4 restoration fire up test. Spoiler alert, already works, I already tried it, but this is cold and it actually depleted the fuel, so we'll see how long it takes to suck more fuel into the line. And firing up cold. Let's see. The fuel's right there. It's going to fire here in a second as soon as that fuel gets up there. Some air bubbles. So a little side note, as I've been testing out modern fuel pumps, this one doesn't put out enough. I didn't pay attention to the kilowatts, which is the volume or the heat that these put out. These put out at a max temp. They put out about 16,000 BTU. This particular pump only goes up to about, 14,000 BTU. I've ran this on this a couple times and it just didn't get to the hot roasting temperature needed, and it was spotty running off of that pump, and that's what the indicator to me was. I needed to look a little further into the kilowatts, translate that into the BTUs that needed to be thrown out to fire this guy up, because this stock pump that's on it right now throws out a lot more volume and gets it fired up quicker, and you can feel the difference literally, obviously, because it's stoking the fire with more fuel. So I got an order. It's going to be very interesting to be able to take a modern derivative for the cheap Chinese heater, which is the 5 to 8 kilowatt versions, and try it on these. Something I've been wanting to try, that I've been playing around with in my head, but haven't really taken it seriously till now. Especially if you guys are going to be wanting me to restore these more, then this is going to be a viable option to keep these things going with being able to buy a $20, $25 pump, as opposed to what crack prices are going for now for these, up into $200 to $400 for the meager supply of leftover NOS ones, if you can find them. So hopefully that's going to turn out. So that's going to be for a future video, but this one right now, yeah, this thing's roasting right now. That's running off the denatured alcohol camping fuel, which I run all my heaters off of when I'm testing them. But she's running fine, running hot, cruising along. So both these two are going to a client in the UK. I hope you enjoy. I'm going to shut this down and shut off the video here. Leave it at that.